Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix RP there yet game crashing, not launching, not loading, lagging, freezing or other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the first method is to check and update your graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search over here. Now search for device manager. After that, expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check if any update is available, and after updating graphics card, check if you can launch the game. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link that I have already provided in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section select your game. Here I am showing you an example. Now after that, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files, click on verify integrity of game files. So after verifying the game files, check if you can launch the game. Next is to modify launch options. For that, go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now under general, here you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and see if this resolves the problem. If not, again come back, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and see if you can play it. Next is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now click on firewall and network protection, allow an app through firewall, change settings, and after that you have to search for the game if it's listed. If not, click on allow another app, click on browse. Now go to the game folder where your game has been installed, select the application and add it to the list over here. Now after adding the list, here you have to select your game, and after selecting the game, now make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. Now after that, launch the game and see if this resolves the problem. If not, next is to run the game as administrator. For that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on manage and click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Now here you have to select the game application, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on compatibility, select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, and then check if the game is launching or not. If not, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, then click on apply and OK, and then try to launch the game, and hopefully this solution will resolve the problem. Next is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. This will check if any update is available, and here you have to click on check for updates. This will check, and after updating your Windows, now try to launch the game. Next method is to close other background process. For that, go to the Windows search for task manager. Now under processes tab, here you have to search for those apps which are of no use but running in the background. Simply select it. After selecting it, right click on it and click on end task. So this will close the apps that is running in the background and then try to play the game. Next is to disable in-game overlays. For that, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, then click on in-game, and here you have to check if it is disabled or enabled. If it is disabled, well and good, or if it is enabled, you have to simply click on it to disable. After disabling the game overlay, check if you can play the game. Next is to stop overclock CPU and GPU settings. Sometimes overclocking makes the CPU or GPU unstable, so you are suggested to check if there is any overclocking of the CPU or GPU in the background. Hopefully this will help you to fix the issue. Next is to run game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for graphics settings. Now here you have to add your game to the list. For that, click on add a desktop app, then go to the game folder where your game has been installed, select the game application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding the game, here you have to select high performance under GPU preference. Now after selecting high performance, launch the game and check. Next is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already provided the link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser, or you can also simply search for Visual C++ files on your browser. After the website opens, go below and from here simply download the Visual C++ files. After downloading it, install them, and after installing, restart your PC and again log into the game and check if you can play it. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall RV there yet game. For that, go to the Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall and finally click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game from your system. Now after removing the game, restart your PC. After restarting, again launch Steam and then reinstall RV there yet game once again, and then try to play the game and see if this has resolved the problem. So these are few solutions to fix RV there yet game. not launching, crashing, not loading, lagging, or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.